Hi friends, welcome back to Bhau-Automation Lab. This is the continuation of screenshots in Selenium 4. Actually, in the previous session, we have already seen how to take a screenshot with this timestamp, how to take a screenshot of relative locators, how to take a screenshot of particular elements, all those things. Okay, in this session, we'll try to learn how to take a screenshot of full page. Okay. So why this concept is important in the Selenium 4 or while working with the Selenium real-time project actually. Let's understand this practically and you will get a better idea how to take a screenshot of full page and why it's required. Okay, so I'll create one more class here with the name of full page screenshot. Okay, and let's create a one main method here. We are dealing with Java, so we require to write a main method to run our Java program. And I'll just copy this particular code from this screenshot where we have already explained how to take screenshot with the help of timestamp. Okay, so we'll not waste our time to write all this code. So if you guys not watched our previous lecture, if you don't know how to take screenshot with Selenium, guys, please watch all my previous session. Here I have already explained how to deal with this timestamp and how to take a screenshot. Okay, so add this IO exception here, and with the help of this we can able to take a screenshot of this particular page. But now I just want to take a screenshot of Amazon.com homepage. Okay, we are working with the real time, so I'll just open Amazon or .in. Let's say Amazon.in homepage. So this is the Amazon.in homepage, and I just want to take a screenshot of Amazon.in. And my client requirement is we require to take a screenshot of this particular section. Okay, like today's deal. This is the particular section, and we want to take a screenshot of this as per the home page. Okay, but whenever you are open the Amazon.in, this will open this particular window itself. So for example, if I run this Amazon.in in the browser, I'll just remove this sign in page from here, and if I take the screenshot with this Amazon home page, will give name as a home page with the timestamp, and if I run this program. So let's understand why we require to take a full page screenshot. Okay, this timestamp is printed here, and we are in Amazon.in in browser. Okay, it's open Amazon.in. Okay, and our script is still running. Okay, script runs successfully, and let's check whether we are able to take screenshot in Amazon homepage in our particular folder or not. So let's copy this path, go to this path where we have taken screenshots. Yes, it's a screenshots folder, and yes, let's see Amazon homepage. Yes, this is the Amazon homepage screenshot, which is we have currently taken, right? So if I open this screenshot, like here, okay, the screenshot is contain this section only. Like there is no today's deal showing in this screenshot, because whenever we use like this screenshot, get a screenshot method in Selenium, okay, it will take a screenshot of your particular page only, like which is visible through the Selenium WebDriver. Like this particular page is, whenever we open Amazon.in in the browser, this particular section is visible, and this screenshot is also taken for this particular section only. But what if here there is no below section is showing here? What is if here, if client wants to take a screenshot of this particular section, like today's deal, which is inside this page, right? Okay, or below this page, we are not able to take the screenshot of this using this particular method, get screenshot as. So what we have to do, we require to take a screenshot of our full page, entire full page of this Amazon home page, so that we are able to take a screenshot of all the sections. Okay, or what if we are required to take all the client requirements, we required to take all screenshot of all these sections. Okay, so this particular command will not work, or this particular code will not work in this time. We require to take a full page screenshot. So how to take a full page screenshot in Selenium WebDriver? Okay, I will just told you one trick here, okay, to take a full page screenshots. So we have some third-party libraries for that. So these libraries are very useful to take a full page screenshots, guys. Okay, so we require to go here in Selenium dependency, like a Maven dependencies official website. Okay, and here we require to type a library name as Ashot. Okay, so this is the library we require to. This is the dependency we require to add in our Maven project. This is the library we require to add in our particular this Maven project. So how to add this library? We have already explained how to create a Maven project and how to add the libraries. What is use of this pom.xml file? So I'll just I just open this pom.xml file and we'll require to add this Ashot library from this like in index tools. Okay, Ashot WebDriver utility. Only this is the latest version of this particular library. So I'll just copy this dependency from here and add it into our pom.xml in the dependency tab. Okay, and just save it. So it will what the required dependencies it will download automatically and store into our empty folder like a Maven dependency folder. Now with the help of this library we can able to take our full page screenshots. So how to write a code to take a full page screenshot? So I can write here like a screenshot like we can give a name as full page is equal to, we just require to create an object of this Ashot library. Okay, can type as like a short and dot we require to import this from y-index QA tools short first. After that we can type here like a dot and the all particular methods related to a short library is now visible. So just type shooting strategy, and after that we require to pass here a shooting strategy. Okay, shooting strategies dot we require to pass view the report viewport pasting. So let's take as a viewport pasting as port and pasting like integer scroll type. Okay, integer type of scroll, like for Amazon homepage it's required guys 2000 as I know already. So I'll pass here 2000. Whatever required to scroll for your page, you can, as per your requirement, you can change it. Okay, so and I'll just pass here like a dot take screenshot. Okay, and we require to pass here driver. Just save complete this statement with the help of semicolon. Okay, we require to type a full screenshots. Okay, and we require to import these screenshots in our input statement. First of all, I just write here like import. If it's not imported, so we can import it and just move it. Okay. Okay, now in last session we have copied these screenshots on the particular location, right? We require to do same thing here in the full page screenshot as well, but we will use here like a image io dot write to copy or get that particular image. Okay, so just type here like image io dot write and we can pass here like a whatever name we have given, like a full page dot get image, and we require to get that image, and then we can pass here a time stamp, or otherwise we can pass here like a which format we want to take a screenshot. Like I want to take a screenshot in JPG, so I'll just pass here JPG. So here I want to pass a path where we want to store our full page screenshot. So I'll just copy that path here in new file. Okay, create a new file here, and in file we require to pass this particular path. I just want to store the screenshot in this particular location itself. So just pass that path here and change name as full page screen. Okay, screenshot, full page screenshot with the help of timestamp in the format of JPG. So this is how we can take a full page screenshot using this Ashot library. Okay, we require to pass a shooting strategy. Shooting strategy was you put passing way you can pass this port as per your like your application, how much window you require to scroll. For Amazon is required to scroll 2000. So let's run this program and check whether we are able to take a full page screenshot or not. Okay, so run with Java application. It's opening Amazon.in browser, right? It will first of all take an first screenshot itself, and after that it's scrolling the window, right? It's scrolling the window still your page last. Okay, just observe here. Yes, because we have given the post timestamps till 2000, right? So as per your application, you can change it. Okay, for Amazon, I have given it for 2000. It's scrolling still last. Perfect. Okay, now let's wait to a script is ended. Now go to this particular folder where we have stored our all screenshot and check whether we have taken full page screenshot or not. Yes, this is the full page screenshot, and here we go. We open this and perfect. We have perfectly taken full page screenshot of Amazon.com website with the help of this time short library. Perfect. This is how you can take a full page screenshot in Selenium 4. Okay. This is very useful library. Use it, guys, to take a full page screenshot. Okay. If you have any doubt related to this, how to use this library or anything, you can just comment out me. And that's it in all the screenshot session in Selenium 4. Okay. Watch all the screenshots session and all session related to Selenium 4 one by one as per the given numbers, and let's practice by yourself. Okay. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe Bhau-Automation lab and share to your friends so they can also learn practically things with the real-time environment. So let's meet in next video. Till time, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.